Sustainable and regional building methods. Earth-friendly materials and techniques. Sustainable construction minimizes environmental impact while ensuring structures are durable, affordable, and efficient. Indigenous and traditional methods around the world have long relied on natural, locally available materials that regulate temperature, require minimal processing, and promote long-term sustainability. Natural building materials and their benefits. Cob, a mix of clay, sand, straw, and water that hardens into a solid, durable structure. Provides natural insulation and fire resistance. Common in wet, mild climates. Example, UK, Pacific Northwest. Adobe, sun-dried mud bricks made from clay, sand, and organic material. Excellent thermal mass, keeping buildings cool in the day and warm at night. Best suited for dry, hot climates. Example, southwestern US, Mexico, and North Africa. Straw bale. Uses compressed straw bales for walls, covered with plaster, high insulation value, R value 30 to 50, reducing heating and cooling needs. Works well in dry and cold climates, but must be protected from moisture. Rammed earth. Compacted layers of soil, sand, and clay to form solid walls. Fireproof, pest-resistant, and durable. Walls can last for centuries. Suitable for varied climates, from deserts to temperate zones. Timber frame and log construction. Uses wood beams or full logs for structure. Traditional in forest-rich areas. Examples, Scandinavia, Canada, Japan. Requires responsible forestry practices to remain sustainable. Pro tip, combining materials, example, straw bale walls with timber framing, can maximize sustainability and energy efficiency. Choosing materials based on climate and availability. The best suitable materials depend on local climate, soil conditions, and resources. Hot and dry climates, deserts, arid regions. Best materials, adobe, rammed earth, cob. Why? These materials have high thermal mass, absorbing heat during the day and releasing it at night. Cold and wet climates, temperate, boreal regions. Best materials, straw bale, timber, insulated cob. Why? They provide excellent insulation, keeping interiors warm in winter. Humid tropical climates, rainforests, coastal areas. Best materials, bamboo, thatch, timber, clay. Why? These materials resist moisture, dry quickly, and allow for natural ventilation. Mixed climate and mountain regions. Best materials, earth bag, timber, hybrid materials. Why? They balance insulation, stability, and temperature control. Sourcing tip. Always use locally available materials to reduce transportation costs and environmental impact. Reducing waste and sourcing eco-friendly supplies. Using recycled and upcycled materials. Reclaimed wood. Repurpose old beams, pallets, and doors. Recycled glass and metal. Windows, countertops, roofing. Earth bags and sand bags. Reuse materials for walls and fortifications. Sustainable sourcing strategies. Choose FSC certified wood. Sustainably harvest timber. Support local clay pits, sawmills, and natural fiber producers. Repurpose demolition waste instead of buying new. Minimizing construction waste. Design for efficiency. Build only what is needed with minimum material waste. Use offcuts and scraps. Small leftover materials can be used for fencing, insulation, or repairs. Compost organic materials. Straw, clay, sawdust can be recycled into soil amendments. Conclusion. Choosing earth-friendly materials and sustainable techniques reduces environmental impact while creating long-lasting, self-sufficient structures. By using locally available materials, repurposing waste, and selecting materials suitable to the climate, builders can reduce costs, minimize pollution, and create healthier living environments.